So, hi to Karen.
Yeah.
This is good. Karen Ames.
Yep.
Cool.
Bill's wife.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, this is a collet holder. And Camille is going to take the collet, put her part in, and show you how it works in the machine. So get the collet that works. That works. Yeah, just put it in. There you go. Okay, go ahead and put it in the machine. So this piece spins, and that pulls this whole collet in so that it will hold the part. Okay? Now, turn it on like a lower speed. So, let's do this. Okay, now turn it on so she can see what it does. So now we can take and turn on this part. A little bit, but
I think it's So what are you needing then to get?
this piece right here, as you see, this wobbles a little bit. This is getting worn. It's old and tired, and it's worn. So this piece right here is what we need.
And that's called a chuck?
It's called a collet chuck.
And how many of those do you need?
One for this machine would be fantastic.
How much are those? I'll have to look. I think we have the sheet.
I think they were 2,000, 2,500, something like that.
Expensive for one little piece, huh?
Yeah.
So Camille, what are you wanting to do as a machinist then?
I don't know.
You're in high school, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just wanted to learn how to do it.
And who do you know that has a shop that you love to go visit?
Oh, my uncle owns a shop.
Right on. So where do your graduates go to work?
All over. We just had our advisory board meeting, and they go to work. Idaho Falls has several shops. INL is a big employer. In fact, INL is really looking right now. Idaho's still in Idaho Falls. Premier Technologies, Sputnik,
Right.
they need people right now.
Right.
Northern Utah is there's a great demand. You'll see if you drive through Northern Utah, you see billboards all over with needing machinists.
Wow.
Boise area, high demand area too.
Wow. Great. Anything else you want to say?
There's hi Bill and hi, what's her name?
Karen.
Karen.
Yeah.
Haven't met her. I've met Bill.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.